Hi, boys and girls. We are on week 1, day 4 of Wilson's. So let's do our drills. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, M. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. All right, now, see if I can move this so you can see them. There we go. Are you ready? Let's do the vowels first. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, A. U, up, Okay, now we're doing consonants. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. All right, now I'm going to put out the letters, and you're going to try to sound them out, figure out the word is before Mrs. Tolman says it. I put the beginning, and there's the middle. Now I'll put the ending. Okay. D. Mud. Okay, next one. First beginning, middle. Let me fix that. And the ending. Ready? Oh, there it is. Lap. 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 Okay, next one. Beginning, middle. End. Okay, ready? Not. 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 There we go. Beginning. Where'd it go? Oh. Middle. the ending is... Here we go. N. 10. N. 10. All right. Ready? B-ed. Bed. B-ed. Bed. All right, so boys and girls, you can also blend sounds together to make silly or nonsense words, words that are actually real words. So let's try a few silly words here. So let me see, I'm going to have my beginning, my middle, and my ending. Let's sound out this silly nonsense word. As soon as I put this one where it's supposed to be. Oh, it's not moving on me. Okay. Ready? It should be up there. L-eb. Leb. Leb. That is silly. All right, next one. All right, let's try this one. Ready? B-ap. Bap. B-ap. Bap. That's silly. Bap. I could do this all day. Let's do... All right. Ready? Ig. Mig. Ig. Mig. What is a mig? There's no such thing. All right. You ready? Nom. 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 Almost like mom, but with an N. All right, boys and girls, it is now time for you to get a piece of paper and a pencil. We have our 5 words to write so Mrs. Tobin can see how you're doing with your sounding out. So once you get your piece of paper and your pencil, I want you to write the number 1 on your board. Can you see that? Number 1. The first word that I would like you to sound out is nap. So let's tap it out. N-ap. Nap. N-ap. Nap. Let's try it right on the board. N-ap. Nap. Can you see that? Nap. N-A-P. Nap. So check your work and make sure you have your letters written correctly. All right, good job. Now we're on to number 2. So please make sure to write the number 2 on your board. Tomorrow I'm going to have to use a better marker. I'm sorry about that for today. Sit. Let's tap it out. It. Sit. Try it again without the marker. It. Sit. You try it. sit. Okay. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Okay. Word number 3. So make sure you write 3. I want you to write met. Let's tap it out. Et. Met. Et. Net. You try it. Ready? Et. Met. So you spell met. I don't know how well you can see this. M-E-T. Met. All right, make corrections on your board if you made a mistake. If not, great. If you did, that's great too. We're all learning. All right, so let's do number 4. Remember, don't erase the ones you did because I want to see them. Let's do the word mud. Are you ready? M-U-D. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. D. All right, here is mud. M-U-D. Mud. M-U-D. Check your work. If you did good, if you did it right, great job. Not just erase and fix your work. No big deal. All right, last and final word for today, number 5. Make sure you write a number 5 on your board. Number 5 will be fat. Here you go. At. Fat. At. Fat. You try. Okay, here it is. Oops. F-A-T. Fat. Okay, make sure you make changes and corrections. I want you to have your parents take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see how you did with your 5 words today. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.